Okay, so if you want to learn about waist hooping, you've come to the right place. All right, so before you even start waist hooping, attempting it, you need to make sure that you have a great beginner hoop that is going to be big enough to allow you some time and space to get accustomed to hooping. While everybody's body is different, a hoop between 38 and 44 inches should be great. I can leave a link to a calculator that can help you decide on which beginner hoop size to get. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So you've got the right size hoop, you're ready to go. You are going to make sure that your posture is straight, you're not slouching, you're standing tall, yet you are relaxed, you're not stiff. Now, the best way that I feel to begin this is to have one foot in front of the other, and you can actually practice shifting your weight forward and back. Your contact points are going to be forward and back, the small of your back and kind of the smaller part of your tummy. So you are going to give the hoop a push, and when you give that hoop a push to right or left, most people do hoop to the left. Try that first, and you can try the other way as well. I recommend it. So you give that hoop a push and immediately start pushing, rocking back and forth. Your energy is going forward and back. As that hoop touches your belly, you're pushing, right? Okay? I'm going to give you some other angles here. And your abs are engaged, okay? So this is called forward stance hooping or front stance hooping, okay? I even like to have my students go kind of back and forth with their arms to kind of reinforce this energy, okay? This is a great way to learn how to waist hoop. It also sets you up for success for when we start walking around with the hoop, which will be in another tutorial, okay? So that's front stance hooping. I'm going to show you side stance hooping. So remember, we've had one foot in front of the other, and we are rocking back and forth. This time, we're basically giving a push from side to side stance hooping. So these are the two that I'm going to demonstrate in this video. There are others, and that will be for another video. But basic waist hooping is usually forward stance and side stance, okay? So with side stance, we're basically, if you can see, the contact points are left and right, and you are basically shifting your weight there, engaging your abs. Your posture is nice and tall, yet relaxed. That is key, right? We're not jerking our body. You can hoop faster if you feel like it's going to drop. You can turn if you can feel how to turn already, and you can kind of shimmy up, okay? So those are a few ways to save the hoop when you feel like it's going to drop, and that's fine if it does, okay? So in a nutshell, that is front stance and side stance waist hooping. If you'd like to gain access to workouts and all of my content that is not on YouTube, then go right to Patreon and join. You'll gain access to some freebies and more. All right, take care.